Hi, I'm Albie from Keller Williams, Las Vegas, and I'm here to give you a market update for housing in Las Vegas for the month of May. It's a pretty exciting time, so let's get down to business. So the median price for a house in Las Vegas is $485,000. All right, what does that really look like? I'm like, well, last month it was $485, the previous month it was $487, previous month before that was $485. So we've been flat for at least 3 to 4 months, so that's good. At least we're not having these big dips of going up, down. So we've been about flat. What does that look like compared to last year? So last year we were actually really close to this number. We're at 480. So it's about a 1% difference. So that's good. At least we're not going negative, not a big growth, and we're still seeing about flat. It is about 110 degrees today, so that's why we're filming underneath here. But we're actually here at the doorsteps of Summerlin. So let's talk about Summerlin. So Summerlin, where I live, our median price is $865,000. That is astronomical. That is huge. Compared to last year, it is 12.5% higher. That's a big jump. So Vegas was only up 1%, Summerlin up 12.5%. So that last year's price was $750,000. That's a really big number. So, all right, let's get down to some of the zip codes inside of Summerlin. 89138, where I live, that number was $935,000. That is a huge number on top of being in Summerlin, just 89138. Really weird, because you take a look at the numbers from last month, they were actually lower. So I think there was just some economic instability. People bought smaller houses, but at a higher price per square foot. So in today's last month, people did actually said, hey, you know what? I think we're stable now. Let's go ahead and buy the prices that where they should be. And that price was $935,000. All right, we'll take a look at some of the other parts of Las Vegas. Henderson, $527,000. I'm like, all right, does that sound like it's a little bit above Las Vegas? It is. It's actually at 8% higher than the actual city of Las Vegas. So that's good because it takes it all in consideration. But one of the little, I wouldn't call it scary part, last year the house was actually worth more. So we actually lost a 0.38%. So not a 1%, not terrible, but that's pretty flat as well. And we're talking about flat as well. We're taking a look at North Las Vegas. So the median price there was $430,000. I'm like, all right, what was it last year? $430,000. So technically, if you bought a house last year to this year, it's the same exact price. The only way we saw great appreciation was going to be in the Summerlin area. I'm a little biased because I do love living here, and it has really grown. We're putting a lot of infrastructures into Summerlin with all the new homes that are being built here. A couple of great communities. We got Grand Parks, which is in 89138. They have Ascension, which is in 89135.